What's up, fatties? It's your boy Fatboy Jr. Today I'm going to be reacting to two-wheel motorcycle and cycling fails by Fail Army. If you guys would like to see the original video, the link will be in the description below. So let's get right into this.
Here we go!
Oh god. Oh. Yeah, Fail Army is a pretty good website if you guys like fails. Oh! That would hurt. So dumb. What is this?
There he is. He's going to do this ginormous jump, and I don't think he's going to make it. Oh, he didn't. Oh.
Ginormous jump.
That really did hurt.
Sick wheelie, man. You. Earthquake. I can just feel that pain right now.
Whoa!
Oh, that would hurt. Oh shit! Oh. Ooh. Oh, fucking asshole. I don't care. I don't care. Oh fuck. Skinny, I Oh, that
Oh,
sucked.
shit. Oh.
I can't ride those hoverboards. I'm too big. Whoa. That hurt. And that's why I don't ride bikes.
Oh.
Yeah, boy.
Oh my god, Heelys. Heelys were like second grade.
Oh.
Oh! That's what you get for being a retard. That's what you get for scootering.
Oh, he's off. He's off. Whoa!
I've seen this.
Whoa! Caught on camera.
You gotta bounce it.
Yeah, bounce it. No.
You alright?
Oh. Oh. Oh! That's probably what she said too. He's just like, his eyes are probably closed. Oh! Oh. That's what you get for scootering. Oh my god. That's what you get. I don't even know what to say for that video. Oh shit! That kid was like, oh! He was hitting his nuts all the way down.
Oh dear.
Oh dear. Poor grandpa.
You fucking idiot! What the fuck
Probably-
do you think you're doing there?
They're all riding mopeds. Oh yeah, I'm so
You're
cool.
fucking undercutting, man.
You're undercutting, man.
You're undercutting.
You're undercutting.
You're fucking idiot.
No, no. Oh!
What was you hoping it happened?
Big smile, big smile. Can you do it again? I missed it.
Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Stay tuned for Friday for the next reaction video and the weekend where I'm going to be doing another challenge video. The challenge I'm going to be doing was requested by Bo Burnett. Blend ice cream, onions, mustard, mayo, oranges, pickles together and drink it. So I guess that's the challenge I'm going to be doing this weekend, so see you then. And if you guys enjoyed this video at any time, please leave a like. It really helps me in no way at all, so I don't really care if you like or not. And see you Friday.